What's going on, everybody? Kimberly here. Hope you're well and I hope you are keeping safe. Have you ever struggled with how to get that perfect winged eyeliner? Well, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you just how in 3 different looks on a budget, so stay tuned. Okay, so all the methods that I'm going to show you, you can also do on yourself. So even though I'm doing this example on a model, you can do this on yourself. It's exactly the same technique. So as you can see, I'm starting at the outer corner of the eye. So very small strokes, nothing drastic, just very small strokes. Take your time and you work from the outer corner and then you move to the middle. So it's basically like you're drawing a line. So it's step by step as you move along the eyelid and you draw the line in slow, small strokes. I am using the Collection 2000 liquid eyeliner from Superdrug in black. This eyeliner is just $2.99 and is really good if you are on a budget as it lasts all day. I'm going to be using this eyeliner for all of the eyeliner looks. So the technique with eyeliner is to always check and see how it looks. So I'm looking at her eye now and I've realised I need to go in again just to make it a bit thicker. So I'm going in again, keeping with the same technique, small strokes and taking my time to build the eyeliner. And what I'm doing with the Q-tip is where some of the eyeliner has got on her lashes, I'm just using that to lightly brush away the liquid eyeliner. So I'm happy with how the eye looks, so I'm going to move on to the next eye and do exactly the same technique. Alright, so the eyeliner is complete, and again this look is for those who just want a very simple look just to make the eyes pop out but not too much. Next eyeliner look that I'm going to do is the mid look, and this is the winged eyeliner look. I absolutely love this. It's my go-to eyeliner look. However, a lot of people do come to me and say, how do I get that winged eyeliner look? I feel like a lot of people struggle with this technique. Stay tuned and I will show you how. So again, you start off at the corner of the eye and you draw on a triangle shape with the eyeliner. So the triangle shape is what creates the wing. Okay, so as you can see, it's just slow, small strokes and you gradually extend the triangle shape. You then move on to the middle of the eyelid and draw a diagonal line that connects with the wing. You then move on to a bit further down on the eyelid and you start to change the direction of how you draw on the line. So you draw the line on straight now rather than in a diagonal direction, ensuring at all points each stroke connects so everything lines up and it looks seamless. So I'm going to go ahead now and do the same thing on the other eye. Alright guys, so the last eyeliner look is a lot more dramatic. I would recommend this look for a photo shoot or for a fashion show if you really just want a striking, bold, out there eyeliner look. I'm starting on the second eye. As I was shooting the first eye, the camera was out of range. So again, it's the same technique as the second eyeliner look that I showed you. You start from the outer corner of the eye. You draw on the triangle shape. Now this one, because it's more dramatic, the triangle shape is longer. Alright, so as you can see, I'm just drawing on the triangle shape. Happy with the shape of the triangle, you then fill it in almost like you're colouring in a box. So just fill it in and make sure you don't go over the line. So once you've done that, you then move to the middle of the eye and you draw a straight line and connect that line to the triangle wing that you created before, ensuring that when you are drawing on that line, it connects seamlessly to the triangle wing. I am now going into the corner of her eye, the inner corner of her eye, and I'm drawing a small thin triangle. Sorry that my hand is blocking the camera, but this is like a really small triangle. So you need a really steady hand and you just draw a small triangle in the corner of the eye. I am now using MUA Intense Colour Eyeliner in black from Superdrug for just £1.50. I'm using this eyeliner to add extra boldness to the look. I am now going to use Morphe M213 smudge brush to create a smoky eye effect and get rid of that harsh line. And as you can see, I'm just going back and forth with the brush just to smudge out the eyeliner, get rid of that harsh line and create a smoky eye effect. So if you want to create a smoky eye, this brush is perfect to do that with, and you can do this with eyeshadow, eye pencil as I have done, and just smoke out the eye with this brush. I am now going into her waterline with a white pencil. Now this really makes the eye pop. As you can see, I've put on that white eye pencil compared to her other eye. It looks larger and bigger and it's popping. I am now going back in with the pencil and I'm going to use the smudge brush just to drag out the eyeliner to create a cat eye effect. As you can see, this look is really dramatic. Like I said, it's for fashion shows, photo shoots, not for an everyday go into the supermarket look. I'm going to go ahead and do exactly the same on the other eye. So you've seen the 3 looks, simple, mid and bold. Comment below and tell me which look you prefer or which look you'll be trying on yourself. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care, stay safe and God bless.